Hi guys, so I wanted to do a quick video of me using Telnet on my Macintosh Color Classic. So you can see I've got it running here, and what I'm going to be doing is just using Mac SSH. I couldn't get NCSA Telnet to run because for some reason it would try to run and it would just soft lock the machine. But Mac SSH is better anyway, and I shouldn't. I've really been using that anyway. And the reason I'm doing this video is because it's sort of just like a filler video. I thought it would be fun because on Tuesday I have an SGI Octane that's supposed to be arriving, and I already have the 13W3 to HD15 adapter for it. So I'll probably do a video on that. But I just thought this would be a fun video. So I'm going to disable secure shell. And the weird, like, if you see the CRT doing weird stuff, there's like, I need to clean the adjustment mechanisms inside, because it just kind of like weirdly does stuff like that a lot. So I think I just need to clean it. The Linux command line is cool because you can have it, because you can do things like have a cow give you a quote. And you can see that I am for sure connected to my Raspberry Pi. And I'm going to change the screen size really quick. So it's 32 lines. There we go. And now we can play Pac-Man. Now, before I start this, I'm going to be really bad, but it's not all my fault. Notice these arrow keys right here? Yeah, that is awkward. So that runs fine. And then I can run stuff like CMatrix, which takes a while to sort of initialize over Telnet. You can probably see the cursor moving, but it will start. There it goes, almost. Yep. So that's a really cool effect. If anyone else has a machine like this, for downloading things, I recommend Internet Explorer 3.01 because things like Netscape aren't able to resolve like System 7 Today or anything properly. And this version of Internet Explorer is actually pretty lightweight compared to the browsers like iCab and stuff. So it's actually usable and it downloads stuff fine, and that's pretty much all you need a browser for on this anyway. I use Fetch as well, but if I want to get something off the web that I can't find on like an FTP server, then I use Internet Explorer, and I have the home page set as the download server for System 7 Today, which is where I got Mac SSH from for this. So you can see it's definitely not the fastest, but it works for sure. So yeah, you can see it's in here fine. Unlike Netscape, which won't even browse that page from the versions I've tried. I've had this Color Classic for a few months, and it's a pretty nice machine. I kind of wish Apple hadn't given it that 16-bit data path, because that makes it slower than the SE30, which kind of cripples a machine that would be really nice. And also, I'm pretty sure the ROM is what inhibits you from having more than 10 megabytes of memory. I have 12 in here, but it will only recognize 10. So I wish there was a way around that. But overall, I really like this machine. I kind of wish I had a board to do a Mystic upgrade to it. That would be a dream. But I don't. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.